I just opened the center line sketch of example of IIT, Kanpur. The link is given in the description. To draw columns, open the structural panel. Select column. Lower Z value as 0 and height as 31.5. Then click on Select Block C, a circle button. For Select Objects, I selected the plan. It draws all columns at center of Block C with height of 31.5. You can see by slightly tilting the top view by right-clicking and move the mouse. Now I draw the grade beams at Z2.5 in Layer G-BIM. I select Beam from Structural Panel. Edit Layer as GBM and size as 300 by 600. Pick Start Point, End Point, Start Z and End Z as 2.5. Tick Start Point, End Point Support. Tick Split by Columns. Then click on Place Beam. You can draw other beams also in the same way. At grade beam level, no intermediate beams are necessary. Now I draw the around walls by Select Wall from Structural Panel. Edit Layer as Wall, Start Z as 2.5, End Z as 2.5, Wall Thickness as 0.23, Unit Weight as 20, Start Height as 3.4, End Height as 3.4. Then click Start Point, End Point, and then click Place Wall button. You draw all round 4 walls in the same way. Now make the layer 0 and wall layer off. From View menu, select Viewpoint and type Front to view Front View. You will see the beams in green color at grade beam level. Using Copy command, select those beams and base point as 0, 0 and destination point as at 0, 0, 4. Change the last copied beams to layer beam. Now go to 3D view to see the beams copied. Now to draw intermediate beams, make the layer 0 on and G-beam off. Using Beam from Structural Panel, edit Layer as Beam, Beam size as 200 by 600, Start Z as 6.5, End Z as 6.5, Beam size, tick Start and End Point Support. You can remove Split by Columns. Then click Start and ED Point from Plan View in 0 layer. Then click on Place Beam. You can copy the similar beams. Similarly, you can draw all the beams. Now to draw slabs, make the layer 0, column OFF. Now select Slab Live Load, Floor Finish, Light Partition, Layer as Slab, Slab Number as 1, tick Split by Boundary Beams, select 4 outer corners, tick Same Z all corners and Common Z as 6.5. Then click on Slab Reinforcement. In Slab Design Parameters, edit Slab Thickness as 100 and keep other parameters as same and click Place Slab button. Check to see all the slabs are drawn correctly by making off beam layer. Now this floor beams and slabs are to be copied to 5 more floors with floor height of 5.0. Keep the layers beam, slab on. Give Array command and select option Z for Z direction array. For select objects, select by window covering all objects and press enter. For number of items, give 6 and Z distance as 5 and press enter. Now you will see all beams, slabs are copied in Z direction. Now for copy walls to all floors, make the layer beam, slab off. Make the layer wall on. Keep the viewpoint as front. Now you see wall in blue color. Give Copy command, select all wall objects and pick base point and pick destination point as at 0, 0, 4 and press enter. The height of wall for the floor is 4.4 and hence stretch the top wall by 1.0 upwards. Change top walls to layer wall and make the layer wall off. See in 3D view and you will see around walls. Now you can copy these 4 wall to all floors by using array command in Z direction by 6 numbers and Z spacing as 5. Then go to font view by viewport command. Stretch the top wall 4.4 to 0.9 by stretching down by at 0.0-3.5. Now see the 3D view. Make the layers G-beam, wall, beam, slab on. You will see all the structural elements. The model creation for the given sample plan is over. Next you use beam load and create starred file and do starred analysis and import member forces into the model. Or you can give no for starred generation and do analysis in NirtsCAD itself. Then design and detailing. I will explain the analysis, design, and detailing part in next video.